you gonna get louder. Hello? Yeah. What's the deal, man? Sound like Disneyland. Shit is annoying. Hello? Fucking annoying, man. That's the only thing about LA is that, bro. Like, why y'all can't just play some music, bro? Play some Drake or something. Drake got the nice, happy music, bro. Play some Drake. We don't get ice cream trucks in Dallas. Because they'll rob them. That's why. Y'all thirsty ass niggas always robbing something. Dallas niggas be robbing everything. Niggas be done robbed the shit out the... Nigga need a bulletproof ice cream truck out there, bro. Bloods, I have a bulletproof ice cream truck. My shit'll be bulletproof. My shit'll have a cold glass window, nigga, like at the fucking... you know, you go to the post office, blood. You gotta put your money in first, then close the thing, then I'll open it up, take the money. Then I'm gonna close the thing, then I'm gonna put your snack in there, close the thing, then you can open it up once my thing is closed. I'm saying, bruh, these thirsty ass niggas, these niggas robbing niggas for anything, bruh. These niggas rob their mama, you know what I'm saying, bruh. You gotta bulletproof your shit up, bruh. The kids too, bruh. Don't trust these niggas, bruh. I don't trust kids either. Kids got parents. I don't trust them. Bloods, I had the first bulletproof ice cream truck with all the brackin snacks. All the brackin snacks, though. Bulletproof, though. Put your money in the glass, blood. Close the glass. Then I'll open my glass. Grab the money. Close the glass. Then I'll give you your snack. Close the glass. Then you open the glass after my glass is closed. See it, bro. What's the deal, man? What's up? Fucking hot, man. Skoe, why the world so cold? You know why, blood? The world being cold. That's why, bro. The world being cold, bro. That's why it's just so cold. It been cold, bro. Been cold. Thank you, bro. That shit is annoying. Blood just like to sit here because he think all the kids gonna come running out. Nah, get your ass. Don't want no fucking ice cream. It's the beginning of the month. Everybody got EBT, but that fuck out of here, bro. Shit. Nigga always want to just sit right here. Hello, bruh. We hear you, bruh. Ain't nobody answering, bruh. Hello. Ain't nobody fucking answering, bruh. Nobody answering, bruh. Blood, we ain't ask you about Cardi B album, blood. Who the fuck just goes to that? Like, what nigga report? Like, this is a nigga show, bro. That, like, we're not sexist, but this is really, I'm a man, bro. Like, I'm not rushing to listen to Cardi B's new shit, bro. I'm saying, go to Unsexiest for that, bro. Maybe see, that's what I'm saying. That's why I need to do a show with I need a nigga like that to do them dirty jobs, bro. Like, you know what? Report to tell them how the Cardi B album was, bro. Like, I'm sorry, man. I just ain't rushing to go jump to listen to the Cardi B album. I mean, I'll get around to it eventually. Like, don't get me wrong. She was gassing on that last little shit. Like, I'll get around to it, but it's not like it wasn't on the to-do list or anything. Like, oh yeah, Cardi B. I gotta listen to Cardi B. It wasn't on the to-do list. But I'm gonna check it out though. You know, I'm gonna listen to it. I'm gonna get around to it. Niggas always asking me who I fuck with, bro. Go ask them niggas, do they fuck with me, bro? You niggas always ask, do you fuck with this nigga? Do you go ask them niggas, do they fuck with me, bro? I fuck with who fuck with me, bro. I still and always will. I fuck with who fuck with me, bro. That's who I fuck with. Buy some jewels. You go buy some jewels. Fuck you telling me what to buy. You go buy some jewels, bro. Fuck you telling me what to buy, man. Weirdo. Buy some jewelry. You go buy some, shit. moving in here. What's the deal, bro? What's the deal? What's the deal, bro? That was a good blunt. You see how my blunts burn slow, calculated, fantastic, though? Like, bro, it's an art to this shit, bro. It's an art to this shit, bro. You see how my shit burn? You see how my shit be pearled, it burns slow, brackin. You see that? Shit, bro, it's an art to this shit, bro. Shit is an art form, bro. It's an art form in itself. Shit. Right now, if you can choose what rapper right now you can collabo with, I'll say that for a real interview, bro. I'll say that for a real interview. That's a good question, bro. I'll say that for a real interview. Y'all be wanting everything on live, I know. If one more person asks me about a glass blunt, man, the fuck, do you ever see me smoke? I hate when people ask me about shit they never see me with, bro. They ask me about shit you never see me with, bro. You don't ever see me with this shit, bro. You don't ever see me smoking this shit. Never, ever, ever, never, never, but you ask me about this shit. You gotta have enough weed, if not your shit gonna burn fast, right? You gotta have enough weed. The blunt gotta be rolled right, though, you feel me? Or it ain't gonna pull right. That shit gotta be right. Can't be too tight, can't be too loose, or it's gonna be falling apart. I mean, kind of fall apart anyway, because it's a backwood, you know, kind of fall apart anyway, but, you know, the better it's rolled, the less, like, you know. Damn, this nigga just steady come back. Obsessed ass nigga, blood. Queen Street, blood. I'm gonna holler at y'all later, blood. Nigga weird. Oh, blood, get your goofy ass the fuck out of here. Jesus Christ, Lord, Savior, release this man. Saying, bro. Release that nigga the fuck out my face, bro. Where you at? Where you at? Don't worry about where the fuck I'm at. You fucking spirit. Listen, Lord. Listen, Lord. You see this spirit? I ask you, Lord, to touch this man and send this man back home to where he needs to be, Lord. Thank you. Look, watch this, bro. Release him. Blood release. You are released, bro. Go home. Like bloody fucking spirit, release him. Release this man, Lord.